What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a limited edition version of the Sata JetX 5500. Before we get into it, go ahead and smash a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I have opened this box already just because I wanted to double check to make sure this was the right version of this gun. But again, there's the front of the box. That's the original version of it. Okay, this is the digital gauge one. Okay, this is a 1.3 tip on it. Now the inside, these are all just the connectors that I'm gonna need for work. This is gonna be replacing my my 𝗘𝗦𝗦𝗘𝗡 LPH400 that I picked up a few years ago. Not really, I mean, it's a good gun, but for what I'm doing, it's not the best for base, in my opinion. Alright, so it does come with cup setup for you, your instructions and stuff, obviously. Your tool to open her up, tighten it up. And then here's your breakdown tool as well. Take a look at this beauty. Look, there's a digital gauge on it. Limited edition street art. Look at that. Wow. See if I can get the camera to focus. There it is. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful gun. I did end up getting two of these just because I want two guns for color. We do a lot of volume at the shop that I'm at, so I want to make sure that I'm being as optimized as I can. Yeah, this is a beauty. Now, I have sprayed a Sata JetX 5500 for a while. It was a shop's gun that we picked up when the company got bought over or whatever by the big boy company. And beautiful gun. Amazing for color. I mean, amazing for everything, honestly. You can't go wrong with it. So that's why I picked up this. And, you know, for the same price as an original version, this one was, you know, this is a limited edition, more my style, for the same price. I mean, I couldn't pass it up, so I got two of them. The last freaking two. Now, I did pick up a Supernova, an 𝗘𝗦𝗦𝗘𝗡 Supernova, and I was using that for clear. I still using that for clear because I loved the way that product is pushing out the clear. But this is going to be a great addition to my guns and to my setup at work. I can't wait to use this digital version because the other version that I was using wasn't the digital gauge version. It just had the hook up on the back where you screwed it in there, and which was great. But this is going to be much sweeter. See, you got your two screws there to change out the batteries. You pop this top right off, and you can just change them out from there. One last little spin around for you. Look at that, beautiful. The graffiti, all different colors. Love that. Beautiful, beautiful gun. Alright, guys, let me know down in the comments below what you think of the Sata JetX 5500. If you're using it, you know, if you used it in the past, what it's best for. Yeah, just let me know. If you found the video helpful or if you found it interesting, go ahead and please smash a like on the video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.